No, I agree. And what I was going to say is tequila. When I went to AAA today to get my international driving tequila permit, I found that I had a tequila passport. And that is just. I'm sorry, did you break up? Tequila? I can't hear you, tequila. No, I was just saying that I went to AAA to get my international driving permit with my passport today. What? I didn't say tequila. No, I think you're hearing things. I think you're hearing things. It's probably a bad line. Or probably, are you wanting tequila? Is that why you think that? I honestly didn't say anything, right? You don't believe me. I went to AAA Tequila to get my international driving tequila permit with my tequila Greek passport. You got me. Or did you? Or is it just in your mind?